Hi everyone, and welcome to this new market recap video for May 6th. On the charts, we have the LH trading system and LH level system strategies working since the market open. The first thing we must do is prepare our strategies by selecting our configuration in the button panel, and then we'll be ready to start. For those unfamiliar with the LH trading system strategy, it works by analyzing time and sales, seeking aggressive buyers or sellers between supply and demand in real time. It analyzes absorption or distribution zones. As soon as it detects aggressive participants, among other analyses, it executes the entry, automatically managing the trade. You can also manage in real time using the button panel. When detecting aggressive buyers, paint the candles dark blue and make the entry. According to our configuration, the strategy automatically sends our profit target and stop-loss orders. You can find much more information about the strategy on our website. You'll find the link in the video description. There are also many videos on our YouTube channel with live sessions. It's best to schedule a meeting via Zoom so you can see the strategy in action and ask any questions you may have. You can schedule a demo on our website. My setup for LH trading system is to work with 3 micro contracts with a profit target and stop loss of 70 ticks or $35 per contract, which is equal to $105. You can also define your daily goal in terms of profit and loss. In the chart on the right, we have the LH levels system. Working and analyzing the market from the opening, we deploy the smart levels and begin trading. The level sizes change daily depending on market movement. The size of the levels determines our profit target and our stop loss. My setup for the LH level system is to let the strategy define our position size based on the risk we've specified in the configuration menu. You can also specify a fixed number of contracts. When the strategy finishes the analysis, it deploys the smart levels and starts working. The configuration I use includes the Smart Hedger tool, working with a hedge. You can disable or enable this tool in real time from the keypad. I normally keep it enabled, except when the levels are very high due to volatility. Yesterday, we obtained 3 targets using the Smart Hedger tool. The hedging tool has a high degree of assertiveness, providing the strategy with a higher win rate in situations where the market turns sideways. The LH level system offers predictable trading, clarity in trading, and price movement prediction. In this last trade, you can see Hedger's tool at work. You probably have a lot of questions. You can book a demo and see the strategies in action, and you can ask any questions you may have. It's the best way to understand how they work. Thanks, and see you at the demo.